Hello everybody, welcome. I'm gonna show you how to make the good Haitian plantain right here, right now. I'm with my real Haitian mama right here. Look at
Hey, Haitian mama.
Haitian mama. So right now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut up some plantain like this. You peel it, you cut it kind of like that, right? Then you're gonna put it in hot oil like this. You see how it's boiling? Then when it's done boiling for 5 minutes, you're gonna take it out. What I do, you put it on a cutting board like this. You take the back of a plate. You see? Take the back. You're going to press it like this. Press. Then once it's done pressed, it's gonna come out like that. Take the spoon like this. Then you're gonna take it out, put it here, and then you're gonna fry it again for another 2 minutes. Then you got your real Haitian plantain. Okay, so when you're done frying the plantain, you're gonna put it down on a plate. Then you're gonna take yourself some salt and sprinkle the salt to your liking. And then boom, you got the Haitian fried plantain. You're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.